Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson. So today our lesson will be on page 30. Okay, page 30. It's a little bit, we will touch a little bit about math. Okay, mathematics. Okay, we have a specific subject for mathematics. Kita ada subject mathematics. Okay, but on our Supermind book we will touch a little bit. Okay, kita akan sentuh sedikit mengenai subject mathematics on page 30. Okay, muka surat 30. So on top of here we have the bigger title or the bigger topic. Okay, topik hari ini ialah tangram. Okay, tangrams. Okay, so you must be questioning, teacher, what tangrams are? Okay, apakah itu tangrams? But before we will look into it, the meaning of this word, okay, let's have a look on these shapes. Okay, so activity 1, listen and look at the shapes. Okay, kamu kena dengar sini, but it's okay. I'm going to read out for you, but we have to look at the shapes. Okay, ada beberapa bentuk-bentuk yang kita akan belajar hari ini. So there are a few shapes that we are going to learn by today, and there is also one question: can you see them in your classroom? Can you see these shapes? There are 5 shapes. Okay, ada 5 bentuk from number 1 until number 5. So there are 5 shapes, ada 5 bentuk, but can you see them? Can you see them in your classroom? Adakah Anda boleh melihat bentuk-bentuk ini di dalam bilik darjah? But since we are not in the classroom, kita bukan berada di dalam bilik darjah, so let's have a look on wherever you are. Okay, dimanapun kamu berada, try to look on your surrounding. Coba tengok sekeliling kamu. Look on your right, on your left. So can you see these shapes? So there are 5 shapes. Okay, the first one, the boy says, my book is a rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Bentuk macam ni is rectangle. So I'm not sure about you. Can you see these shapes? The first shape. Okay, look around your house or wherever you are. The first shape is triangle. Okay, triangle. This shape has 3 sharp edges. Okay, sharp corners. Okay, ada 3 corner yang tajam. So can you see this shape? Adakah Anda dapat cari bentuk ini di dalam rumah kamu? Okay, but for me, yes, I found one. It's my hanger. Okay, ini adalah gantung baju cikgu. Nih, alat nih. So if you see it carefully, the shape is triangle. Try maksudnya ada 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the shape of triangle, which is the first one. Triangle. So this is my hanger. So the next one is shape number 2, which is square. Okay, square. Or maybe you can recall square mall, apa lagi? The mall. Selalunya shopping mall ada square. Itulah tu bentuk ini. So if you look at the shape of square, this one, this shape has the same length. Ada sama bentuk. I'm sorry. Sama panjang. Okay, this one is the same with this one. Okay, this one, this one. So they all, kalau kamu ukur dari sini, the same length. Okay, semua sama panjang. Ini sama panjang dengan ini. So this one is also the same with this one. So it will form, akan membentuk segi 4 sama, which is square in English. So I have one item here which is square. It's my the box, okay, present box, kotak hadiah. See, it has the same length. Sini sama dengan sini, semua sama ukuran, sama panjang, the same length. So this is the shape of square. Okay, so I hope you understand. Oops. Next, let's have a look on the third shape, which is circle. Okay, bentuk bulat, circle. This one, okay. So the third shape is circle, bentuk bulat. So what I have here, I'm not sure about you, maybe you can find something that has the same shape, benda yang hampir sama bentuk dengan bentuk circle. So right here, let me show you my ring light. So if you see carefully, this is the shape of circle. Okay, so that's one of the examples that I can find in my house. Circle. So this one, check. Next, number 4. Shape number 4 is a little bit it's very hard to find, to be honest. Susah cikgu mau cari bentuk ini. So how do you pronounce this? Macam mana mau sebut? Parallel. Okay, parallelogram. Okay, one more time. Parallelogram. Okay, so parallelogram has the unique shape. Ada bentuk yang unik. Because, okay, let me use pink. Okay, if I zoom in, this one, the length of this one, panjang ini mesti sama panjang dengan di bawah sini. Okay, the opposite, mesti sama panjang. It must has the same length. Okay, let me draw the line. So this length, panjang ini, and the length of this line must be the same, mesti sama. Okay, it's opposite, bertentangan nih. Okay, so but let me use what color? Green. Okay, but on this side and this side, this must has the same length as well, mesti sama panjang. So kalau tadi warna pink, mesti sama panjang kan? So the green one is also the same. Ini pun sama. Okay, mesti sama panjang. So that's what we call parallelogram. So I'm not sure about you, it's quite hard to find object that has this shape. Agak sukar untuk mencari benda yang ada bentuk ini. I'm not sure about you, but for me it's hard. So one of the examples that I can find in my house is this one. I'm not sure if you can see this. Can you see this? This has the same length. But the horizontal line, garisan melintang, ada panjang yang sama juga. Okay. So this one is the spare part. Okay, ini part cikgu punya kereta mainan. Cikgu dapat cari the shape. Okay, I hope it's clear. So next shape is rectangle, number 5. Okay, shape number 5 is rectangle. So maybe you are familiar with the rectangle since we firstly learned about it just now. Rectangle, the shape of the book. Okay, dia cakap my book is a rectangle. Buku saya berbentuk segi empat tepat. This one. Okay, memanjang it's a little bit lengthened. Okay, so if you look over here, this is the shape of rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, so it has almost the same shape as square, hampir sama, but it's not the same. Tidak sama. Kalau square, remember, if the shape of square mesti sama panjang ini, sama panjang ini, semua sama panjang, everything. But this one, it must has two similar length. For example, on this side, tepi sini yang penggarisan pendek sama panjang. They have the same length. But on the top of here, which is longer, garisan panjang lebih panjang ini pun mesti sama. So they are the opposite line. Right here, same goes with the pink one. Okay, so it will be rectangle. For example, my Watson cut. Okay, ini cut Watson. So if you see the shape, it is rectangle. And many more, just like your Supermind book, okay, is also square. And your cell phone are mostly square, right? Kita punya handphone selalunya berbentuk segi empat tepat. Okay, so those are examples or the 5 shapes that we are going to learn today. We are learning today. Okay, so back to the title just now. Kita kembali kepada tajuk ini, Tangrams. Oh, so what are these? Actually, if we go to activity 2, on activity 2 there is a short explanation. Okay, ada penjelasan yang pendek lah. The tangram is an old Chinese toy. Rupanya yang kita belajar tadi, bentuk-bentuk tadi ialah suatu permainan an old Chinese toy. Okay, permainan tradisional orang berbangsa Cina. Dulu kita tiada mainan yang canggih. And the toy, since we are still on unit what is it, unit 1 or unit 2, let's play. Okay, let's play, and mainly we are learning about the toys. Okay, kebanyakannya kita belajar mengenai mainan. Okay, page 22. But on Supermind book we are also learning about the old Chinese toy. Okay, ini salah satu permainan orang berbangsa Cina dulu. Okay, dulu kan tidak mainan, no PUBG, no Free Fire, no Mobile Legend, no smartphone. Okay, so they have to come out with their own toys. Okay, they have to be creative. So let's see on this side. On the right side, there are many shapes, right? They have to form a unique shape from this game. Okay, dorang akan combine. They will combine this shape to form something. Okay, mereka akan kumpul bentuk-bentuk ini, and then they will form something. Akan membentuk sesuatu. For example, rabbit. For example, the fox. And other things. Okay, so as our exercise, okay, let's see on our Supermind book, it's also on page 30. Okay, on page 30 muka surat 30, maths. Okay, there are 2 activities here, activity 1 and activity 2. Okay, there are 2 activities. So activity 1, we are going to listen and number. Okay, we are going to train our listening skill again. Kita akan practice melatih kemahiran mendengar kita lagi. So after you have listened, you have to number. You have to put the number in these shapes. Okay, di dalam bentuk-bentuk ini ada kotak-kotak. Okay, you can see the boxes in the shapes. Okay, di dalam bentuk-bentuk ini ada kotak. So you have to listen and number. So are you ready? Let me play this CD1 track 45. So listen carefully.
Workbook, page 30.
1. Listen and number.
Write number 1 in the square.
Alright, write number 1 in the square. Okay, so there are 5 shapes that we have learned just now. Ada 5 bentuk yang kita sudah belajar tadi. So, which one is the shape of square? Of course, this one. You can see right away because they have written number 1. Okay, write number 1 in the square. Okay, dalam bentuk segi 4 sama. So if you didn't learn just now, kalau kamu tidak paham tadi, susah mau jawab nih Solana. So you have to really understand the shapes first. So I will continue play this audio. So you have to listen and put the number in the shapes.
Write number 2 in the circle. Write number 3 in the parallelogram. Write number 4 in the rectangle. Write number 5 in the triangle.
Alright, so those are the numbers, or those the numbers that you have listened just now. You have to write them down in the shapes. Okay, if you missed the listening just now, the audio, so you can repeat this video. You have rewind. Okay, but I think you got it on the first time. Activity 2. We are moving on to activity 2, which we need to read and draw. Kita kena baca dulu dan lukis. So you have to read first. What we are going to read? So over here we have 5. 5 short phrases. Okay, 5 ayat pendek. Number 1, a red triangle. For this one, I think you need to prepare your color pencil. So you need to color as well. Kena warna. Okay, a red triangle. Okay, triangle sudah lukis segitiga. So you just need to put, or you need to color it red. Okay, warna merah. So take out your color pencil and color it red. But mine is not that beautiful, and please color yours beautifully. Okay, so number 2 is right here, a green square. So how's the shape of square? And green. Okay, green square. After you have drawn the square, bentuk segi 4 sama, you have to color it green. So any type of green will be accepted. Okay, number 3. A blue circle. Circles. How's the shape of circle? I'm not sure. Macam mana bentuk bulat? So after you have drawn the circle, you have to color it blue, warna biru. Kenapa cikgu bagi tahu? Okay, so you have it. You have the answer for number 3. So number 4, we have to draw and color a pink parallelogram. Okay, a pink parallelogram. Okay, yang berwarna pink. Parallelogram. How's the shape of parallelogram? I'm not sure. Next, last one, number 5. Oh, a yellow rectangle. A yellow rectangle. How's the shape of rectangle already? I forgot already. Macam mana bentuk segi empat tepat ni? Yeah, so that's it. After you have drawn the rectangular shape, you have to color it yellow. So that's all for today, the homework and the lesson for today. After you have finished, please send on our Telegram group so I can look through your works. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.